Motmots have a taste for reptiles, so this anole lizard better tread carefully. Whenever she freezes, the Motmot can't see her, and they're sensitive to the ultraviolet spectrum, intensifying the contrast and colour of the Motmot's plumage. So when the Motmot looks away, the lizard moves. Just a little. Nothing to see here. It's like they're playing red light, green light. As the Motmot closes in, the lizard moves just out of range. But now, there's nowhere left to run. She has an unbelievable escape strategy, so recently discovered that it's never been filmed before now. Tiny bubbles trapped between water-repellent scales join up and rise towards her head, allowing her to breathe underwater, long enough for even the most patient Motmot to concede defeat, and for the little lizard to emerge victorious. Most hunts aren't successful.